What's up, everyone? My name is Daniel Ackerman. I'm a realtor with the Queens Home team of Keller Williams in New York City, serving Manhattan, Queens, and Brooklyn, and helping sellers, investors, and buyers of real estate with knowledge, integrity, and professionalism. This is the Tuesday 2-Minute Tip, and thanks very much for joining. So what we do on the Tuesday 2-Minute Tip is cover one tip for sellers or homeowners or buyers of real estate in about 2 minutes. And today what we're talking about is home improvement. All right, now the tip today is learn to do whatever you can in your condo, co-op, or single-family home. Learn whatever you can do on your own. And one of the best ways to do that is to go to any home goods store, Lowe's, Home Depot, your local hardware store, and pick up a book similar to this. Now, this is the one I have. This is from Home Depot, Home Improvement 1, 2, 3. Great way to learn how to do stuff in your home on your own and save yourself some money. Plus, it's a very satisfying feeling to do a home project and do it yourself. Now, the big caveat here is obviously keep within your limits. Don't bite off more than you can chew. If you don't feel that you can, do a project on your own, don't. It's not worth the risk and the potential expense if you do it wrong to do it. But these books are super, super helpful in giving you step-by-step instructions. Also use YouTube and look up links on YouTube for how-to videos. Home Depot has great YouTube videos on how to do stuff in the home. But definitely one of my big tips to homeowners is learn to do what you can in your own home when it comes to home improvement projects, fix up projects, if you have a little plumbing issue or what have you. Don't pay $300 for a plumber to come out just to change a washer. You can do that on your own. So all you need is a little help and a little guidance. So definitely this is about the best $25, $35 when this was purchased new. This was $35 and it can probably save you hundreds, maybe thousands of dollars. So definitely a good investment. So that's the Tuesday 2-Minute Tip, guys. Go by your local Home Depot or Lowe's or hardware store. Look for a book like this. You can look on Amazon as well. I'll put some links in the description of this video. But that's the Tuesday 2-Minute Tip for today. Hope you found it useful. If you did, give it a thumbs up. There's a little thumbs up button right down here. Give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. Hit the subscribe button down here and hit the bell and you'll get notifications of all the new videos on this channel. And once again, my name is Daniel Ackerman. I'm a listing agent with the Queens Home team of Keller Williams in New York City. Thank you very much for watching.